Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. I'm going to show you how a little teamwork and the right technique helped us to remove this wood floor. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons Tristan and Hunter. So I'm going to show you how we removed a wood floor today, and I'm going to put a second video out that shows the same thing, wood floor removal. They're both water damaged wood floors. The first one was really hard to get out. A little teamwork, the right technique, and the tools, and we got it out. The second one shows you what happens when you just forget about the fact that your floor is wet. You just leave it and let nature take over maybe. I mean, it was bad. The worst wood floor I've ever seen in my life. And I'll make sure I put the link for the second video in the description and at the end of this video. So without any further ado, let's hit it. Recently removed 700 feet of glue down wood flooring in this nightclub. We're going to show you a few different techniques that we use, but no matter how you remove it, the easiest thing to first do is to cut it up into smaller, manageable sections, and that'll make your job much, much easier.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
Coming up so easy. This is unbelievable. I never get this lucky with glue down wood.
So happy together. I thought you would have had this thing done by now.
Well, so we finally got it out. It took a little bit of a trial and error with the different techniques, but we figured it out and we got the floor out. It was down good. It was a lot harder to get out than what I expected, but we managed to get it out and we could lay our vinyl floor. So, if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.